Bird Food Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global bird food market size will be $2,351.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4% from 2024 to 2031. North America bird food market size of $940.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe bird food market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size. Asia Pacific bird food market size of $540.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America bird food market size of $117.56 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa bird food market size of $47.02 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.